Stop right there! You are crossing the forbidden line. This path leads to water. My colony is dying of thirst. I do not care. The water inside this maze belongs to the Red Kingdom. Nature belongs to everyone. Do not be so cruel. Step back, or my soldiers will destroy your entire army. We do not want war. We only want to survive. Then leave this maze now, before it is too late. We cannot leave. There is no other way to find food. Look at these cracks in the wall. The ground is unstable. Do not try to scare me. These walls have stood for years. I am not kidding. I can feel the vibrations through the soil. You are just weak. You want an excuse to escape the fight. Listen carefully. Do you hear that low, heavy sound? It is just the wind blowing outside the tunnel entrance. No, that is not wind. Something huge is moving above us. Nothing can penetrate the deep heart of our maze. Watch out! Run towards the left tunnel, now! My exit is blocked! I cannot see my soldiers! Give me your hand. Crawl under this heavy root. Why are you helping me? We are supposed to be enemies. An enemy is still alive. We must get out together. The main tunnel is gone. We are trapped in the dark. Do not panic. Save your breath and look for a light. I can hear my soldiers crying from behind this thick wall. It is completely dark. I cannot see my own feet. Stay close to the wall and move slowly. We are stuck here because of your foolish warnings. Blaming me will not clear the rocks, Red Commander. If my army was here, they would dig this out in minutes. But your army is not here. Only you and I are left. Fine. Which way do we go in this stupid maze? Follow the cool air. It leads to an opening. Be careful. The ground here is very slippery. I am a warrior. I do not slip on mud. Even the strongest warrior can fall in the dark. Wait, look at the ceiling. What is that glowing green moss? That is toxic moss. Do not touch it with your antenna. This maze is full of hidden dangers, isn't it? Yes, and we need to work together to escape. Do not think we are friends, Black Commander. Stop. Do not take another step. Look down. What is that strange purple liquid on the floor? It is the toxic acid of the giant blue scorpion. But those monsters disappeared hundreds of years ago. They did not disappear. They were just sleeping inside this maze. Look at the walls. There are fresh scratch marks everywhere. He is awake, and he knows we are inside his home. We need to go back, right now. This is a trap. Listen, that sound is getting louder and closer. Oh no, the underground river has broken the wall. The water is rushing into this narrow tunnel. Climb up that root. Hurry! Do not look back. The water is too fast. It's pulling my back legs. I have caught your hand. Pull yourself up with all your strength. I am up. Look, The tunnel below us is completely flooded. We can't go down again. Our only way is up. This ledge is very narrow. We must walk sideways. My body is too heavy for this thin piece of dirt. Do not look down at the water. Focus on the wall. The dirt is crumbling under my weight. Lean towards me. Use my shoulder for balance. Why do you keep risking your life for me? Because in the eyes of Allah, every life has value. Your words make my heart feel heavy with shame. Wait, I hear a faint voice from that small hole. Help! Please help me! I am a black scout. That is Umer, one of my best soldiers. He is trapped behind a giant crystal. We cannot lift it. We must try. We cannot leave him here to die. Let me use my strong jaws to crack the base of the crystal. Be careful. If it breaks incorrectly, it will crush him. Trust me, I know how to break stones. It worked. Umer, are you hurt anywhere? My wing is broken, and I am so thirsty. Here, I have a single drop of sweet nectar in my pouch. But that is your only food, Red Commander. He needs it more than me. Share it with him. Thank you, sir. I thought red ants were monsters. We were wrong about many things, young soldier. Kindness can change the bitterest of enemies. Umer, can you walk if I support your left side?
Yes, I will try my best, Commander.
Shh! Stop talking. The ground just vibrated again. That was not the water. That was a step. A heavy, massive step right above our heads. The monster is hunting. He can smell our fear. We must move quietly through this tunnel. Look! At the end of the path, there is a golden light. We finally reached the light, but oh no. It is a dead end. A massive stone wall is blocking the exit. The golden light is coming from a glowing shard in the wall. This stone is too thick. We cannot break it with our jaws. The air is getting thin here. We are running out of time. So, this is how it ends. For all of us. Do not give up hope. There is always a way. Look closely at the stone. There is a soft line of clay. If we dig out the clay, the big stone will fall. I will dig the bottom, you dig the top. I can use my good leg to move the loose dirt away. The stone is shifting. Keep pushing, everyone. Push with all your might. We are almost through. We escaped. We escaped. But for what? My whole country is dying. There is no food left. No crops can grow. And a devastating famine has taken over everywhere. My army is gone. And my entire nation's survival is at stake. What will happen to the Black Ants Nation now? Will the Red Commander step up to help them survive this devastating famine? Or is it already too late for the colony? Find out in the next episode. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some great new English and phrases along the way. If you want to see what happens next and keep improving your English with us, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. See you next time.